Here's stuff. You show your food, B. You show your food. What's your food? Mango, biscuit, and peanut. You open. You put here. You bring them in school. When you eat, that's you're going to use. You show your food. Yum, yum. Enough na. You put there. Return.
Ow!
Return. Okay. Put in the bag, ha? Where's the spoon? Where you put the spoon? You put them in the bag. Like this. Open your bag. Open your bag. The bag ba? Open. Naka helping you. Ay, Isabela doesn't know. That's what you should do. Oh, sip it. Sip it. You know how to sip? That's enough. Sip it. I said. You sip. I still don't know. Only wear it. That's too long.